Yeah, what's going down, family? Shit, I don't own the rights to the music in the background. If you can hear it, 963 hertz frequency. You feel me? But I want to talk to y'all about today, right? 1111 portal opened up today, y'all. You feel me? So you gotta make your You ever heard of the phrase "make a wish"? That's what today is. You feel me? You gotta write your visions and make them plain today, guys. You feel me? The energy is big out here. We all know that today. You feel me? We all know that. So it's time to start setting off on something. You feel me? Right now I'm doing just a little card draw for everybody. That feel what I'm saying. But wow, look at this. See, it's time to set off on something new, y'all. You feel me? It's the 1111 portal. It opened up today. My thing is to monitor your fucking thoughts, bro. Monitor your thoughts today. Tap into the subconscious mind. Take your subconscious and your conscious and make it one, if you get what I'm saying. Okay? You got to really monitor your thoughts. A lot of our thoughts right now might be like two-way. A lot of our thoughts might be a lot of subconscious thoughts. You feel me? But you clear out those subconscious thoughts, bro. Work on yourself. Do what you got to do. You feel me? That's the three I pulled today for y'all. So what I'm saying is, if you don't know what to do, all you gotta do is just tap in to yourself. You feel me? Let yourself know, and you say it with all your heart, that you are supported by God. You are supported by the angels. You are supported by the universe. You are supported by everything that God set in line for you. This day is a powerful day. You feel me? Today starts the 1111 portal. It starts it. You feel me? Now right here, a lot of people might be juggling a few things. All you gotta do is prioritize it. Prioritize it. Might be some emotional shit going on with a few people, but you allow yourself to feel whatever's going on and you let that shit go. You feel me? It's not that rocky out here, but yet it is, you know. Do a lot of inner work. Do a lot of inner work today. It ain't nothing wrong with it. In order to make your manifestations come properly, you have to clean out that closet. You have to become the magician. You feel me? As above, so below. Remember that shit. You know, if it's meant for you, it's going to be meant for you. Today is a powerful day. It's going to be a powerful next few days, you know. For some reason, this 1111 portal is different. It's so different. You can feel it in your solar plexus. You can feel it all over your body. Through every energy center, you can feel it. It's different. I think it's more people that's in tune with this 1111 today. And that's good. And that's good. Because what you think, understand what I'm telling y'all. What you think will expand more, it will magnify more, and it will magnetize more. You feel me? Everything you think will come into fruition. So be mindful. Be mindful of everything you thinking. You feel me? Look what's at the bottom. I can't make this up. I can't make this up. I can't make this up. We got to monitor our thoughts. Sit with your thoughts. Sit with your thoughts, but do not overthink. You feel me? If it's not in alignment for you, leave it alone. If it's not in alignment for you, it might not be in alignment for you at the moment. You feel me? Prioritize. That's what we have to do. That's what it's saying. Prioritize. You feel me? Man, prioritize. Become conscious of your subconscious thoughts. Your subconscious thoughts is going to repeat patterns that you put in there. You feel me? Try this today. If everything you think of is always negative, man, you backdoor that shit with 3 positive thoughts. You get it? You bring in everything new. Do new things. Do new things. Do new things. Actions speak louder than words. Remember that shit. It's your actions that's gonna cause an equal reaction out here. Everything goes according to your actions. So I'm gonna set an example, right? If you want to get up here, you want to write that book, you write that book. If you want to start your vision board, start your vision board. You feel me? Don't let nobody tell y'all nothing about a vision board when in the Bible it says write your vision and make it plain. Go to Habakkuk and you'll see it for yourself. You know what I mean? It's time out for a lot of things, guys. We've been doing this shit for too long. A lot of us, all we do is talk. It's time to back that shit up. You feel me? Stop allowing people to say what you do is evil. Stop allowing people to say what you do makes no sense. What you do is crazy. It's too many signs in the air, man. Literally. It's too many signs in the air that shows that you on point. It's too many synchronicities. Pay attention to the synchronicities today. Pay attention to it all day. Whenever your awareness points to something, see what it is. You feel me? Monitor your thoughts. Where the mind goes, the body follows, guys. Always know that. The body is connected to the mind. Okay? We don't make no moves without thoughts first. Okay? Remember that and know that. I love y'all, man. Y'all stay up. Y'all stay right. Break the norm. That's what I'm getting to. Break that norm. Break that repetitious pattern. So even if you be on social media a lot, if you're not using your platform for what you want to use it for and you just do mindless scrolling, break out that habit. Set your platform the way you want to set it. You feel me? Everything is according to your thoughts, your actions, and your deeds, man. And this is for everybody that's aware of this shit. This is our time. This is our moment. Put some 11s in the comments if you listening. You feel me? Put some 11s in the comments if you feel what I'm saying. It's time to react. It's time to respond. It's time to be reciprocal with this energy, y'all. You feel me? Y'all have so many people out here that be giving y'all so much shit. But a lot of y'all look at this shit as a source of entertainment, and it's not entertainment for us. It's really helping y'all. You see? Start, how can I say this? It's saying pay homage. Pay homage. Start paying homage. Start supporting your favorite people. I'm telling y'all, man, we don't do this for our health. We damn sure don't do this for our looks. Y'all will never know what we go through in our personal life when yet all we do is help people. You feel me? Support the ones, man. Support the real ones, for real. I feel it all in my heart center right now. You know, this is time for release. This is time for joy. Manifest properly, because I promise you, your intuition is going to pick up. All your intuitive knowings is going to pick up between today and the 13th, y'all. I'm rooting for everybody that's listening to this. You feel me? Bring it in. If this is your first time being involved in this 1111 portal, start off small. Don't start off too big. You feel me? The bigger the idea, the more doubt set in sometime if you're not used to releasing doubt. It's a lot of us going through things, but it's a lot of things that could change in our life right now if we apply this shit properly. I'm telling y'all what I know, and I'm speaking from the heart here. You feel me? It's time out to deal with people that's full of doubt. It's time out to be dealing with people that's full of negative shit. They're not going to do nothing but pull you down. No matter how bad it hurt, no matter how hard it hurt, we're moving up to higher frames. We're moving up to higher things. You feel me? So let's get it, man. It's not the fact you leaving nobody behind. It's just that they don't know how to break those subconscious thoughts. They always having things manifest in their life that aligns to the way they think of themselves. You feel me? It's time to go higher than that. It's time for y'all to start showing support to people, man, that's out here that's doing what they got to do. You feel me? I bullshit you not. Last night I was getting so many ideas during meditation. So many ideas during meditation. And the one thing I got out of that shit, man, but I got a few things, but the one main thing I got is you be with those that support you. You feel me? Give this information to those that support you. So if you have a favorite out there, and if you have somebody that you know that leads you to higher ways of thinking, that you know that lead, don't just look at their video without pressing a like. You know, they got this shit laid out now where y'all could give stars to people. Y'all could literally show people y'all appreciation and y'all love, man. And a lot of y'all don't. You feel me? Y'all take the information and run with it. Y'all take the information and y'all laugh at it. That's not the way to do it, and I bullshit y'all not. It's gonna come back on y'all. I'm not trying to put no fear in nobody. I'm just letting y'all know. If you don't have the ability to listen to somebody without monitoring your thoughts, because you got to think before you prejudge. You feel me? Understand everything I'm telling y'all. I love y'all, man. Y'all stay up, y'all stay right, because I can go longer with this, but I won't because the attention span of certain people out here. But yeah, man, it's all new things. It's all new things. It's all new things, man. Pay attention to these. Pay attention to it, man. The food card. We all know what that food card is, man. That food card, man, you starting off on something new. You got to embark on something new. The divine got you. The divine got you. All up in your little sack right there is everything you need. This is the sack. This is the backpack, or whatever you want to call it. You got to take these thoughts, right? Right now, they are intangible. You feel me? But you take it out the thought world and you bring it in the third density and make it tangible. You got all the skills you need to do it. You got everything that got your back. This was at the bottom of the well right here, and I cannot make this up. Check this out. Bam. This was the other one at the bottom of the well. That's that 111, man. We all going into new things. We all going into new ways of being. We all going, but we have to take that leap. We have to take that leap, guys. We have to. It's powerful. Today is powerful. Today is powerful, and I'm rooting for everybody that's rooting for me. You feel me? We all deserve a change in our life. We don't need to be dealing with that same shit over and over and over and over. That's why we think this shit is hell, which it is hell for some people. You feel me? It is hell for some people. Kind of emotional right now because I'm feeling this energy. But it's kind of a hell state for some people. All through the year, you try to get people out of a certain state of being. Now it's time for you to focus on you. It's time for you to focus on you in a selfless way. If you deal with people that always see negative, that's never happy, that's never, man, look, you leave that shit alone and focus that energy on you. Focus that energy on you, okay? I'm showing y'all one more time, man. This was the other one at the bottom of the well. Look at this. Pay attention now. If you want to see it, that's 111. Either way it go, he walking through it. Either way it go, he's standing there and he's seeing all this new shit that he could build, man. Bring it up to the subconscious, dude. No overthinking. No overthinking. Indecisiveness will kind of twist your manifestations. You feel me? So be decisive. If you see it in your mind and you're getting all those intuitive hits to do it, do it. Do it. Do it. Make sure it all lines up. Okay? You got all the tools you need. You got every tool you need. You can manifest it. You can feel it. You can seriously think it. And you can just set it all into play, man. This is the spiritual time right now. As above, so below. As above, so below. As above, so below. Incorporate that shit, okay? Incorporate that shit. Incorporate it, man. Incorporate it. Incorporate it. And I'm going to keep saying it. There's nothing wrong with having 2 or more ideas. But choose this one you're going to start on first, okay? I love y'all, man. Y'all stay right out here. Y'all stay tight out here, man. I'm rooting for everybody. I'm rooting for everybody. Everybody not going to root for you. Everybody not going to be happy for you. You sit today and you clear your mind. You sit today and you clear your heart. You sit today with a pen and a pad and you write down your manifestations. I understand what y'all saying about the I am this and the I am that. We should have that already covered by now. You sit to yourself. You clear your heart. You clear your mind. You bring in these higher energies. Because I promise you it's something out there that will fight off each and everything that's in you. It's something out there that will fight off something that's so sight unseen. But you got to tap into it. You got to tap into it, man. So tap into it. I love y'all. I love y'all. Make this day a powerful day. Monitor your thoughts. Bring your conscious mind. Tap into that subconscious. See what's going on back there that's repeatedly happening. See what's going on back there. The subconscious mind do not talk. The subconscious mind only shows. And it will show you, and it will show you, and it will show you some things you have to alleviate. Okay? I love y'all, man. I can keep going, but I'm not going to keep going, man. I feel this day, and I feel like something special is happening. Let's get it going. Let's get it going.